Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Hi, Monkey. Hi, Paul. Hi, Monkey. Today is, let's have a look, shall we? Get the date up here if I can. Wednesday, the 20th of March. And it's just gone 12 o'clock, 12 midday. I have got here, we have, from Thompson & Morgan, Strawberry Full Season Collection, 18 bare roots. I have 6 Strawberry Cambridge Favourite, 6 bare roots. Florence, 6 bare roots, and Honey, how you pronounce that? And that's 6 bare roots. So let's have a look in here, shall we? These came a couple of days ago, so this will still be fine. Get this open, shall we, folks? Hope everybody's keeping fine. The weather here is raining. I don't know if you can just see all that. Absolutely wet through. But yeah, I'm going to pop them on into these pots. Probably get 2 per plant. 2 per pot, sorry. And that should give plenty of room. These are perennial, fully hardy fruits. So once you get these, you can then take runners off those, pot those on. And after 3 to 5 years, replace them with new runners, new plants. So that's great. So I shall get the camera set up so we can have a look at, see what's inside and see how they look. So yeah, that's the camera set up. So we shall open these now. Get into these. Let's have a look at these. It's the first time I bought bare root strawberries from anywhere. So I'm looking forward to these. Really am. Perfect time of year to be doing this. We have here. We have everything here. This one, this is Anastasia, Honey Ove. This one, Florence. And these 6 are Cambridge. So first of all, to get pot full up with compost first. You want a decent multi-purpose for this. Coco Coir, there's some really good peat-free compost out there that are really doing a great job. I like using Coco Coir. This is some old compost I'd left over, so I'm just using this up. So please don't have a go at me saying it's peat based. It is half of the last bag that I possess, and I've got peat-free compost now, but I'm just using this just to get rid of it. Let's get these open, shall we? Leggy band around there. Once we get the tag in there, like so. And we have 6 of these, so what we'll do with these is we'll plant 3 in each pot. You know, plant them the same level they were when they were in the soil. You can see that there. So that wants to be just about there. So make sure you get the roots nice and deep. Don't want them sticking out here. You want it up near the edge as well, because then the strawberries can hang over the side. Get one more. The last one. Just a big one. Get a small one out there. I can. Yeah, probably the smallest. Get this 3rd one here. Nice and deep. But not too deep. Yeah, that is 3 done there. And I'll just go about and get the rest done. I'm keeping these inside. Just want to get a nice early crop off these. There's supposed to be one early crop, one mid, one a bit later. I don't know which is which. But yeah, now they're in there. Also give them the water with a bit of feed in, just to get them to come around a little bit. And if you want to catch up and see how everything's getting on, please subscribe and like. It does help the channel out. I really do appreciate it. And I'll just get these finished, folks. I've got another 18 to do or something. That's nice. Like I said, typically don't have got my fusing peat based compost. Like I said, it's half a bag that I've got left, and then the rest is peat free. I just don't want to waste it. So yeah, that is bare root strawberries from Thompson and Morgan. Like I said, I'll get the rest done, and those will be on this bench here. And I'll probably get a heat mat under there. So yeah, if you've got any questions that I take to ask, folks, if you like my videos, please subscribe and like. So hi Monkey, hi Paul. As always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for temporary, and please keep safe. Thank you, bye.